Okay, good day guys, it's Dave here. I got some good news today. I got my package from JLC PCB. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this and I'll show you guys the board. What the board is for, it's to hold these large LED readouts. I bought these from AliExpress. And there's 10 wires on the back, 5 at the top, 5 at the bottom, and I need something that will hold these because I'm going to make a large clock and I need something to hold these. So the board has a space at the top and a space at the bottom, and the board fits in the middle, and then also so I don't have to run 80 wires out to the display module. I have these connected up on a T-PIC 6C595 chip. So I just have to send out a pulse train and it will light up whichever segment is being told to light up. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you the boards. Okay, and because my board is going to be, my clock is going to be 10 digits, I got 10 of these made up, and they look really nice. The surface mount chip goes here in the middle, and then 3 resistors at the bottom, 5 at the top, and I just populate whatever resistor is required over here. The first card will have all 4 of them installed, and then the card next to it will just have 1 installed. So yeah, so I don't know if you can see that, but they are very nice, very well done. JLC PCB contacted me and asked me if I would do a video, you know, but yeah, I didn't really come through. So anyways, I use them to get the boards made anyways. So I'll just show you how it goes together here. So just take the one display here and it should fit right on the board. Just getting her lined up with the holes is the pain in the rear. There we go. So yeah, that's what it will look like when it's done. I got a little bit of a lip at the top, a little bit of a lip at the bottom, and that's so I can place some traces or tracks in the wooden box that I'm going to make for this, and just slide in the displays. So yeah, so pretty nice, pretty nice. So this is not a paid advertisement for JLC PCB. I wished it was, but unfortunately their offers are rather limited. But anyways, I got some boards made anyways. So I'm making up the circuit board, the new version of this circuit board, which is only 4 inches by 4 inches square instead of 4 by 6. So I'm getting it made up. I'm just doing the artwork file for it right now, and the hardest part is doing all these little holes here. Eagle, as far as I can tell, does not have a way to make these and just duplicate them down. You have to make every pad. And then the other thing is the silk screening will say pad whatever right above it, so it's kind of a pain in the rear end. I wish there was some way to get that so it would just come up as a pad with these have 4 leads per pad, so you would put your chip in there, and then there's 4 leads this way, 4 leads that way, and power and ground running up the middle. So I just need to figure out some way of I'm only going to do 3 pads on either side, because I have to, you know, take an inch off either end of this. So yeah, anyways, weekend project. Thanks for watching, guys, and please give me a thumbs up if you like the quality of this circuit board. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.